have here Dinuguan. Yes, you can see that. And then also we have this Puto. Yes, Puto. So this two is also from the Palabok de Tisoy market store here in Quinta Market. This Dinuguan is actually made out of pig's blood. Literally pig's blood. The ingredients or like what's in it are pig's organ. So yes, it may look weird, but I promise you it tastes good. That one, look at that. And then also, we're gonna combine it with puto. So this puto is actually made out of glutinous rice with milk and then sugar. Okay, now let's try it. Ah! Yeah. Okay, more. Okay. I can't reach the organs, but yeah, let's try it. It doesn't taste bad. It's good. It's actually good. Like if you're into, you know, like combining foods, experimenting food, this will be good for you, and you should try this. It's not bad. It's actually good. Ah, great one. Nice combination. This Filipino, we call this laman loob.